Good morning, student. Today we shall study chapter 15 of our SST book. Our chapter name is People Who Touched Our Lives. Religions and religious teachers. There are some religions of our country. They have carried the message of peace and love for all human beings. Hinduism. It is one of the oldest religions in the world. It is also called Sanatan Dharam. Veds and Purans are holy book for Hinduism. Buddhism. Buddhism was founded in India by Gautam Buddha. He left home at an early age in search of knowledge and truth. The holy book of Buddhists are Dhampat and Tripitakas. Islam. The followers of Islam are called Muslim. Muslims believe that the message of God was brought to them by Prophet Muhammad. His message is written in the holy book called Quran. Jainism. Jainism was spread by Mahavira around the same time as Buddhism. Jains believe in karma, the moral law of universe. Zoroastrianism. The followers are called Parsis. It is founded by Zoroaster. The holy book of Parsis is Jant Avastha. Sikhism. It was established around 500 years ago in Punjab. Sikhism was spread by 10 gurus. Guru Nanak Dev Ji is the founder of Sikhism. After the 10 gurus, Sikhs follows their teaching through the holy book Guru Granth Sahib. Christianity. Christians follows the teaching of Jesus Christ. The Bible is holy book of Christians. Churches run thousands of educational institutions and hospitals throughout the country. Social reformer. Let us take a look at some important reformers. Kabir. Kabir was one of the greatest saint poet of India. He preached that people of all castes and religions are equal. He spread his message through dohas and bhajans. The followers of Kabir are called Kabir Panthis. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. He was a great reformer from Bengal and founder of Brahmo Samaj. He fought against the evil such as child marriage, caste system and sati. He also encouraged education of girls. Ramabai Ranade. She was a reformer from Maharashtra. She worked to improve the condition of women. She set up a home for widows and encouraged them to remarry. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. He felt that modern education was important for all Muslims. He set up schools to educate children. Rulers. Our country had many great kings, such as first is Ashoka. Ashoka was also known as Ashoka the Great. After the Battle of Kalinga, Ashoka decided to give up war and become a follower of Buddha. He undertook many projects for the welfare of his people. Krishnadev Rai. He was the ruler of Vijayanagar in South India. He built tanks, dams and canals to help farmers in irrigation. Akbar. Akbar was a wise and able ruler. His court had 9 talented men who were called Navratans. His favorite Navratan were Birbal and Tansin. He also built the city of Fatehpur Sikri. Scientist. Mathematics, astronomer, medical science in ancient India. Aryabhatta. Zero and the decimal system of counting were developed by Aryabhatta. Next is Charaka. He wrote a famous book on the medicine called Charaka Sashmita. Homi J. Bhabha.